Good morning, this is Dr. Edge with your Weather on the Edge forecast for this Saturday, July 16th, 2016. Going to be a pretty nice day today and tomorrow, just a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm today or tomorrow. Highs will mainly be around 90 today and again tomorrow. So highs today and tomorrow around 90 degrees in the inland locations. Of course, it'll be cooler along the coast, and just a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm today and tomorrow. Monday, a little bit more of the same. Again, a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, mainly at night, though, on Monday. And highs on Monday. It is looking warm on Monday. So there's going to be your big news in the next few days. Highs in the low to mid-90s, it looks like, on Monday. Again, just a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm at night. So for the next 3 days, just a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Highs around 90 today and tomorrow. Monday going to be really warm, highs in the low to mid-90s. Wouldn't even be surprised if we saw a few of the inland locations reach the upper 90s on Monday. Very warm day. Tuesday, a little bit cooler. Weak cold fronts coming through Monday night. That'll cool things down just a couple of degrees to around 90 in the inland locations on Tuesday, but it should clear us out. So very, very little chance of any precipitation at all on Monday. So Monday looks really good. Tuesday, that was for Tuesday. For Wednesday, again, looking really good. So Tuesday, Wednesday looking really good behind the cold front on Monday night. And highs on Tuesday, again, looking at mainly the mid-80s to low 90s. Wednesday, a little bit cooler still with highs in the low to mid-80s in most of the inland locations on Wednesday. So again, we're going to get a little bit of a cold front. Really warm, though, on Monday. A little bit of a weak cold front comes through Monday night with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. And then that clears us out for Tuesday and Wednesday, cools us down just a touch. Highs around 90 Tuesday, and only the low to mid-80s inland in most locations on Wednesday. And in fact, in Northeast PA on Wednesday, may only be in the mid to upper 70s on Wednesday in northeastern Pennsylvania. Thursday continues to look good, a couple degrees warmer. Highs mainly around 80 along the coast, mid-80s to low 90s inland, so it's starting to warm up again on Thursday. Friday, well, here we go with the heat again. Increasing cloudiness, chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the evening on Friday, but highs will be the low to mid-80s along the coast and the low to mid-90s inland, and in fact on Friday, again, you could be looking at some upper 90s inland on Friday. Saturday, again, extremely warm potentially. Really warm on Saturday potentially. Highs in the mid-80s along the coast, possibly the mid to upper 90s inland next Saturday. So next Saturday right now is looking like it could be really, really warm around here. And then Sunday, some cooler air is going to start to filter into northern locations, cool down the northern locations a little bit, with highs around 90 in southeastern New York State, in northeast Pennsylvania, possibly mid to upper 80s, and then warms up as you start to head south, low to mid 90s in northern New Jersey and Fairfield County, Connecticut, and then next Sunday, mid to upper 90s potentially still for central New Jersey as the cold air is starting to filter in from the north potentially next Sunday. So right now, next Friday and Saturday look really warm, possibly into next Sunday in southern portions of our area. Next Monday is looking really nice. Just a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm next Sunday, by the way. Next Monday is looking really good. Cooler too, a few degrees anyway. Mainly mid to upper 80s with some upper 80s to low 90s in east central Pennsylvania, central and northern New Jersey next Monday. Next Tuesday looks really good and much cooler. As some cooler air starts to filter into the area with highs potentially only around 80 next Tuesday, which will be a nice break from that heat. And next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, variably cloudy with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm each day, and highs gradually rising from the low to mid-80s inland next Wednesday to the mid-80s next Thursday, and around 90 next Friday. So the big news is that we are potentially looking at some really, really good heat in our area on Monday with highs in the low to mid-90s, and then possibly again as we head into the end of next week, Friday through Sunday, with the center of the heat being next Saturday potentially. We'll wait and see what happens, but next Saturday right now is looking like possibly the warmest day so far this summer, with highs potentially mid to upper 90s throughout much of our area next Saturday. But, that's a long way off. The big one to watch right now, and the more definite one, will be this coming Monday, with highs in the low to mid 90s with some upper 90s possible in some of the inland locations. All right, thanks for joining Dr. Edge, Weather on the Edge. Have a fantastic Saturday. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.